Magbulb. This compact and handy device allows you to replace a bulb in one movement, making the replacement process much faster and safer. Magbulb uses the same principle as magnetic adapters for charging devices. A base with a magnetic inlet is screwed into the lamp, while the other part is screwed into the base of the bulb, allowing you to put them together in a single movement. Thanks to the use of neodymium magnets and bronze connectors, the adapters provide reliable contact and are completely safe. It is worth noting that the magnetic adapter is compatible with all types of lamps and luminaries. The cost of the device is $15.